Kung taga Marilao ka, may Kawayan, or nearby Bulacan areas, may night market that can satisfy your late-night cravings. Punta na kayo sa Alegria Mercados, a food and lifestyle market along M. Villarica Road here in Marilao. It's pretty accessible and may parking na rin sila sa loob. They're open 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. ng Friday to Sunday. Nagulat nga kami kasi maraming food stalls inside and malaki yung area. Ang daming pagkain na pwedeng pagpilian. So here's a super quick review on some of the ones we tried. Ang sarap ng Four Seasons ng Delcy Juices. May mga pulp and fruit bits pa. Siksik sa laman tong Manang Joy Ilocos Empanada and malasa pa. Sayang nga, sana dalawa binili namin ito kasi nabitin kami pag-uwi. May mga Korean dishes din dito, like this fish cake, gimbap, and corn dog from JJ Korean. Meron din silang tteokbokki, pero we skipped it muna kasi baka mabusog masyado. Yung corn dog nila, saks lang. Wish the batter was more flavorful. Sa dami ng food stalls sa Alegria Mercados, strategy namin was to focus on small servings lang ng mga familiar dishes and some new food that looks yummy. May mga Japanese food din dito like Skyler Takoyaki. Cheese and octobits yung tinry namin. Medyo kulang lang flavor for us, pero malaman naman siya. Ito yung isang favorite namin, Happy Chow's Nacho on a Bag. Nagulat kami kasi ang daming toppings. We ordered bull chips sa Doritos with beef and veggies plus cheese sauce. Bumili rin kami sa Eddie Boy Shawarma ng jumbo shawarmas nila. Di lang siya ganun ka-garlicky and mas spices na we expected from a shawarma. Pero masarap naman. We also tried Ramenaki skewers na beef wagyu cubes. It's the usual wagyu cubes na you see sa market. Malambot and tama lang yung flavor. Meron ding isaw and pork barbecue from Daddy's Grill na nagustuhan namin. Natry din namin itong La Familia Pizzeria na di namin alam kung saan nabili ni nanay. Generous sa toppings and okay din yung flavor for its price. Pag ikot ulit namin, nakita namin itong potato twist na chips. Ang sarap niya with the sour cream powdered flavor. Tapos napabili din kami nitong sweet corn with cheese kasi na-miss ko na to. Before umuwi, naghanap din kami ng desserts. Sobrang dami ng choices pero super sure ako na may nagbebenta ng tiramisu dito. Yung usong-uso. At ito na nga, nahanap namin sila. Ang daming flavor choices but we ordered 3. Soft cake with mild na coffee flavor. Sakto lang din yung tamis niya. Yung matcha tiramisu nila, medyo bland lang for us. Pero must try yung favorites naming mango tiramisu and lotus biscoff tiramisu. Iikot pa sana kami kaso sobrang busog na kami plus may mga dala pa kaming takeout food. Tip lang, wear comfy shoes or slippers kasi mabato tsaka may mga packet na lalakaran. Baka matapa kayo. Tapos don't miss taking photos with some mascots around the night market. For sure, matutuwa both kids and adults dito. Aside from the ones we tried, marami pang food choices talaga like milk teas, tacos, pastries, lugaw, pares at kung ano-ano pa. Nababalikan na lang namin next time. Gaya nitong bibingka, puto bumbong at puto surat sa may main entrance na nakalimutan naming balikan. Kaya foodies, don't miss the Alegria Mercados Food Night Market here in Marilao, Bulacan. Happy eating!